Hey guys, John here. Welcome back to 1984 Barbecue. Today, we're going to be doing something I haven't done in a long time, and that is we're going to be hanging a turkey breast on the pit barrel cooker. So here we go. Our turkey breast out. I've already patted it dry, rinsed it off. It's been sitting in my refrigerator for a little bit, and it's it's almost a 9-pound turkey breast, but I've had it sitting in the refrigerator so I could dry the skin out or try to get the skin as dry as I could. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to inject our bird with a Creole butter. Okay, and this Creole butter is not mine. I take no credit for it. It is Malcolm Reed's recipe for his Creole butter. So it's 4 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 can of chicken broth, and a half a teaspoon of his AP rub. Okay, so I got my injector here. Let me show y'all. There it is. Okay, now you want to let that cool off. You don't want to put hot liquid in this turkey because it will start cooking the turkey. Okay. All right, try that again. There we go. All right. So I got my injection here, and I'm not going to bore you with this, guys. Okay. I'm just going to show you. Put it in there. Push down. Put it in there. See how it's starting to plump up a little bit? I don't know if you can see that or not. Push down, like so. We got this turkey injected with our Creole butter. Now I'm going to season it with Heaven Made Products Amazing Cajun. If you guys haven't tried out any of Heaven Made Products and stuff, y'all go check them out. Low sodium, so if you got high blood pressure or something, this stuff's really good for that. But yeah, this stuff's really good. Amazing Cajun, along with all their other products, guys. They got really good products. So go ahead, and I'm just going to kind of give this a nice little coating on the outside. Okay. I'm not going to bore you with the seasoning part of this either, but I will bring you back when we get ready to put this bird on the hanger. Now, what we're going to do is this is our turkey hanger. Okay, let me get that out there. All right, so how we're going to do this is we're going to lay our bird just like that. We're going to slide this right up the cavity and out, and it's going to rest on the front there. Then we're going to take this bar, slide it right on through, like so, and that's how we're going to hang it on the pit barrel, guys. Okay. So let me clean this up. Let me shut down the pit barrel. It's been running for about a little over 20 minutes. I got pecan and applewood running in here. Okay, so I got some applewood and some pecan. Look at all that smoke, and it was put into my charcoal, guys, not on top. Okay. So now let me grab the bird here. And see, guys, this is how the bird will hang, just like so. Now, what I got to do, let's grab that right there, slide that in just like that, and take our rebar here, and try not to burn myself. And there we go. Bird is in, hanging just like that. Hope y'all can see that. Here, I'll bring y'all in a little closer. Let me take y'all off the tripod so you can see. And there you go. That's how he's hanging, all right? So we're going to let him hang for about an hour or so for I check on him, and I'll bring you back there. Since we put this bird on. So we're going to go ahead and give this thing a check, see where we're at. That's looking pretty good so far, guys. Oh, I'm off camera there. Looking pretty good so far. Got a nice little color on there. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to slip in a ThermoWorks probe into the breast meat there. See where we're at. So actually, guys, hang on, I actually messed that up. I'm going to slide that through that porthole there. And then slide it on in there. the thickest part of the breast is what you're wanting. Okay. Slide that back in there like, oh, probe came out. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the probe back in this, and we're gonna let it go for a little while longer. It was reading about 134. We're trying to get to 165, so we'll see here going off. This cook took a little longer than I anticipated, guys. I don't know if my thermal, my smoke was giving me some weird readings on this cook, so we're gonna get this bird out of here. It's done finally. All right, I'll get this bird out of here, guys. Maybe y'all can see that on there, but it's got a nice color to it. This juice is pouring out of it, guys. Look at that. Oh, there you go. All right, gonna get this in the house, let it rest. We'll show you the final product. It took a little longer than I anticipated, but hey, you know, it is what it is. But it was a really nice day. The turkey got some great color in. I'll put some photos in as well at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, guys, here's the finished product right here. It's turkey breast. It's very moist. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it just pulls apart. Let's take a taste test. That's good stuff, guys. It's moist, juicy. Let's take a quick review of what we did real fast. We had about a 9-pound turkey breast that I got out of the package, rinsed off, patted dry, let it in the refrigerator for a little while, kind of dry that skin out. Then I put some Creole butter injection in there, or some Creole injection, and then I seasoned it with Heavy Made Products Amazing Cajun. We hung it on the pit barrel. I got it on at 2 o'clock, guys, and it got done roughly about 6:15, so it took a couple hours. I don't know why. I don't know if the temperatures or what. Usually mine runs about 275, 300, depending. But for some reason my thermal smoke works, kept giving me weird readings. Anyways, I ended up readjusting the probe and went with it that way. So anyways, guys, this was really good. It doesn't take that long, but definitely something to remember that each elevation is different for the pit barrel. Anyways, guys, if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. You know I love you. If you are new to the channel, think about hitting that subscribe button and hitting that thumbs up for this video. Anyways, guys, I really appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all have a great night. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.